In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background from an image in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll have a clean, transparent PNG that's ready for your designs, thumbnails, or presentations, all without complicated tools or a long learning curve. First, open Adobe Express and upload your image. You can drag and drop a file from your computer or use the Upload button inside the project workspace. Photos with clear contrast between the subject and the background usually give the best results, but don't worry if yours is a bit busy. Adobe Express does a solid job with most images. Make sure your image is selected on the canvas so the editing options appear across the top. Next, with the image selected, click Remove Background in the top toolbar. This is the magic button that tells Adobe Express to analyze your photo and separate the subject from the background. You don't need to make any selections manually at this stage. Just click once and let it process. Now give it a few seconds to work. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and then the background will disappear, revealing a transparent area behind your subject. Transparency is usually shown as a gray and white checkerboard. Take a moment to look closely around edges like hair, hands, or fine details. If everything looks perfect, you're already in great shape. If not, a quick touch-up will help. Use the erase or restore brushes to refine edges if needed. The erase brush removes leftover background that the tool missed, while the restore brush brings back parts of your subject that were accidentally cut out. Adjust the brush size for precision around tight corners and zoom in so you can work carefully along detailed edges. Short, controlled strokes often give cleaner results than long swipes. If you make a mistake, use undo to step back. For tricky areas like wispy hair or semi-transparent objects, try a softer brush edge to blend transitions more naturally. Take your time here. These refinements make a big difference in the final quality. When you're happy with the cutout, click Download and select PNG to keep transparency. PNG preserves the see-through background, which is essential if you plan to place the subject over colors, gradients, or other images. Unlike JPEG, PNG supports an alpha channel, so your subject will sit seamlessly in any design without a white box around it. That's it. You've removed a background in just a few clicks and created a polished, flexible asset ready for your next project.